Hello guys, WELOCK has sent me this very nice locking cylinder which fits all modern doors, which has this standard Continental locking system. In my house I don't have it, so I'm sorry for that, but I will anyways show you how this is working. It came with this very nice manual. It's in different languages. You have everything you need to know inside here. How to program it, how to install it, how everything. I will show you that a little later. This is how it looks, the system itself, with the fingerprint sensor and the code. QR code on the end. To scan this one with your phone, you will get straight to the App Store, or to get download the app for it, because this is very nice if you have the app. It's working like this. When it's not locked, this will just turn around. On the inside, it will always be contact with it, so you can always open the door from the inside. But this one is free spinning. To open it, you just press any key and it will activate a green light, and then you can put your finger on the sensor and you get a happy sound, and you see now it's engaging the lock. It will lock automatically after a few seconds. There we go. And now it just spins freely again. Really easy to use. Press any number, put your finger on it, and then you're ready to go again. Done. Wait for a few seconds. And now it's locked. Amazingly simple to use. I will show you how this is inside, then you can how to adjust everything. Because in the box you also get this one, and that is all that's inside. In this box you have all the necessary thing you need. You have 3 of these RF lock pieces. I don't know the name of it. Brick? Smart lock? Yeah. You can put this on here or here, I think. I don't remember where it was, but on here somewhere, and then it will open. But the best one is of course the fingerprint and the code. And let's see what we got in the box. Let me put it a little down here first so we can see this. Here we go. Inside the box there's a lot of small things. This one is a very nice accessory to make it, if you have a very thick door, you can add this one to the end. I will show you afterwards, and you can extend the length of this. You have a Phillips 2 screwdriver, which fits inside here when you're opening the battery lid. Allen key to open the Allen keys on the side, and also on this side. You have a big screw with some blue thread lock. Phillips number 3. This one is supposed to go inside here when you are extending the system. Then you have some small spare parts, screws. One short, one long, and another screw. And you have a reset key, or a pin, reset pin. And you have 2 small green silicone rubbers. They are for waterproofing the inside here. I will show you later. Or we can do that right away actually. This tiny screw is just a couple of turns. And then you take it out, and then you can remove this lid. This way you can access the battery door, or the emergency USB-C. There's a USB-C inside here to use if the battery is running out of power. You can have an emergency. Just use a regular battery bank, and when you insert the USB-C you will hear a tiny sound. One more time, closer to the microphone. Yeah, that indicates that now it's it's using the power from the USB. That's good to know. And here is also this Phillips number 2 key. Fits perfectly on this screw, of course. And then you just turn that one around a few turns. Remove that one. And then you can open the battery lid, which Looks like this. There's 3 AAA batteries, and it's all indicated on the side here which way it should be put. So it's really easy. Like this. Close it again, and then you get some happy sounds. Yeah. Then you put this one back. It is spring loaded now because of the battery, so we need to put a finger to hold it down. Let's see. Okay. Here we go. That was easy. And this is the spare screw for this battery lid, which are included in the kit. This tiny one here is the spare one from the cover on the outside here. Yeah. And the long one, the long screw, is, I guess it's inside here because I have not taken it out, but inside this hole there's a screw, and if you loosen that one, you don't need to take it out, just loosen it a few turns, then you can adjust the depth of this one. This one can never be taken off, it will always be on. It will stop. But you can see there are some tape measure on over here, which is in centimeter, millimeter, where you want it. To adjust it to the thickness of the door. And there is also this green silicone rubbers. It's made for inserting, so you can close this one. It's not moisting, noise coming inside. That is also nice to know. Just turn it back on. There we go. Everything is nice and tight again. And this lid cannot be opened without removing this one. So let's put that back on. So now it's nice and secure. This screw must not be over tightened because then it will disappear inside. So just make sure it is just flush with the cover. I did over tighten it and it disappeared inside, and you need to remove this one and then have to fish it out again. That was no problem, so it's not anything to think about. Here is an ID number. The ID number you need to register this one into the app, and then you will make the app work for this lock. On this side there's also this Allen key. This one you can remove, this one cannot. And there are some small grooves inside here, which the Allen key then will lock into. And here is this one coming in handy. This one you can put over here. Oh, putting the screw the right way around is a good idea. Like this. So then you can screw this in place with this long screw. Then you get a very deep lock if you have a very deep door, thick door. Beautiful! Absolutely amazingly nice. Then you just put this one back on, and this one you will feel when you're catching some of the grooves. Here we go, and then it locks in place. Fantastic! I really love this lock. Too bad I don't have these doors inside my home. Okay, that was all the accessories in the box. Now to the fun part. Let's talk about the app. Let's try this QR code. Let me put this one on screen recording first. That's a good idea. Like this. Yes, media and microphone. Start recording. And here we go. When I put this one on camera, let's see. There we have it. Then we go to this address. Goes to app. Then you can choose whatever you want to add. Android, Apple CarPlay. Okay, so now we know that this QR code leads to the website where you can get a shortcut to your app store that you like. And then I have this WELOCK. It is supposed to be here, I think. And just press that one. And here we go. Then you get, you need to log in. I need to do that first here. And here we go. Then you get a screen like this. And here we can do one more one. You can, just to start, if you press this blue key. Oh, here we go. It opens, and you also get a message over here, which has this log, because I have done this before, to show you which one has opened the lock. And let me see if I can put this one a little lower down there. You can see this lock then, hopefully, like this. And I'm pressing the blue key. No light on the system, only this happy sound. I cannot lock it. It will lock by itself. There we go. And if you take a look at how this app is working, and I get you back up here. If you go step by step, you have something called authorization management. You have some users. There is my name, I can delete myself. And here you can add some time something. I'm not absolutely sure what this is, but it has this function. And you have more time systems, which I don't know what means. You can add password. You can add a card. This blue card we have in this box, which I just put down, this one. You can add it in the app. You can add fingerprints, very clever. And you can synchronize some IDs. Here is also, this add card, add password. Okay, it looks like the same menu. Add card. Yeah, it just goes to the next menu. Adding fingerprints, you go to the next menu. You can see it started from this side and it flips over. And then you got the ID synchronization. Yes. The next one, you can delete users. Please enter the user ID to be deleted. Okay. You can clear cards. You want to clear all the normal cards. I don't want to do that now, so please not. And you can clear users. You have a lock delay. How many seconds it will take before it locks. That is good to know. It's from 5 seconds to 14 seconds, it looks like. Or you can press 5, okay. 5. Oops. One more time. No. You can at least adjust it. Unlock history. Then you get all these things with the fingerprints and with the app. Sync record. Connection success. I don't know what that means, but it's syncing something. Sync time. Connected success again. Factory reset. Okay, all data will be lost. You have to do everything over again. Let's not do that. And you have a help, which just leads you to a Q&A. USB, yellow USB. It's showing you some film, I think. Yes, it goes to a clip. It shows you how to use the USB. Could be good to know. And let's go back. Here we have Wi-Fi box. Lock is not added to a gateway. Okay, you can probably have more locks and add it to the gateway. I don't know. Okay, I think that is all for the app. Let's stop the recording here. Okay. So I think I have covered everything on this lock. I really love it. Too bad I don't have any doors that will fit this lock, but if you have this Continental cylinder system, it's very easy to change. You see there is a screw here in the bottom, a thread hole, and it's very easy to change it. It's just one screw, and it's showing here one screw into the cylinder which you can take out. Then you can remove the lock. That is fantastic. That's all I can tell about this one. I say thanks for watching and hope to see you again in the next one. Goodbye.